Namaskar my dear friends. Let us learn how to design this particular circuit so that we can glow on and off this particular LED. So what we'll do is we have already seen the simulation in our last session. Now we'll try to design this particular circuit in a proper fashion. So first of all what you have to do is you have to go to place and then place components. Okay, and in this component you have lot of components that is there. So come to sources. Here it is a like all groups are there, so all the components are there. Then come to sources, only sources will be coming. This power source, ground, VCC, everything is there. Okay, so let us say we'll put one ground. Then we need like VDD or VCC, something we can take up, or otherwise we can take DC power. Anything is fine. Okay, or let us say we want a voltage signal source. So voltage signal source we can take pulse voltage or something like that, or step voltage you want, you can take that way. So let us say whatever we have simulated, that only we will do. So we are going to take one like pulse source. Okay, then we need one resistor. So for that I will go in groups, go to basics, and in basics we will have a resistor. So here is the resistor. Any resistor is fine. However, if you want, you can select from here itself 220 ohm or something like that. Okay, so let us say I am going to take 220 ohm from here. And then we need LED. For LED we need to have to go to diodes. Okay, so come to diodes. In diode we have, you can see we have LEDs, right? Where is the LED? Here. So we have blue color, green color, so many colors are there. So what we can do is I'll just take it like this. Sorry guys, I didn't put it inside here so that you could not see anything. Okay, so this LED you can take, right? I'll tell you again how to go to this particular thing, like go to place, then component, and this component, like window will appear. Here you can go to basics, so it will be having resistor, capacitor, all these things. Then you can go to sources, so sources will be there, power sources, voltage sources, current sources, everything. Then we will have like basics. In that basics we have gone to resistors. Okay, so this is how we did done everything. Now what we can do is to connect this, like interconnect, to connect this particular circuit, you just come to this particular node and it will start getting connected like this. Okay, so what we can do is we can connect like this. That's all. So connection is done. To change this parameter of this particular voltage, since what you can do is you can run it and you will see that it is not able to switch on properly or something like that. Or maybe let us say put one current probe and we'll see what is the current that is flowing through this. Okay, so now let us run it and you will see current is very like less, around 3 milliampere or something like that. So instead of that, what we'll do is we'll try to change these values. So double click it. Initial value, let us say we'll keep it 0 and we'll go up to let us say 5 volt, and delay time will keep it 0, everything is fine. Pulse width, what we'll do is we'll keep it 500 millisecond. Okay, because 0.5 millisecond was very less, and period will keep it 1000, so that half millisecond on, half millisecond off. Okay, that's all. So this is how we made the changes. Now if you run it, my LED is glowing very nicely. Okay, understood? So this is how you can see my circuit is very nicely made. So hope you have a good understanding of how to enter an schematic in NI Multisim and how to start like a simulation. If you want to do one like simulation for a particular period of time, you can go to simulate, then analysis and simulation, and here you can see, let us say we have like transient simulation, and in the stop time, let us say I will put it 10 second or something like that. Okay, or let us say 5 second. So 5 times it will glow and then it will switch off, something like that it should happen. So now let us run it. So window is opening here and it is not actually appearing. So what is going to happen now? Basically we need to switch off this. Instead of transient simulation, direct simulation is better to see the glowing LED on and off. Okay, so for that what you have to do, go to this analysis and interactive simulation. So interactive simulation basically automatically it will do and it will do the analysis. Okay, so you can see it is doing. Thank you.